Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Shelly Home Design. In today's video, we're going to be working on this TV stand that I got from Facebook Marketplace for a very low price. It is perfect for the design that we decided to go for our new apartment. There are a few flaws in it. The metal is not in the best shape, and we're missing some pieces, but I think I can work with this. Let's get into how I turned this into something beautiful. Now, before we get into this video, I just want to take a moment to ask that you please consider liking it if you like it. And if you like my work, to please consider subscribing. I really do appreciate all of the support. Thank you so much, and let's get back to it. So first what I did is I checked to see the original color. It was easy to see as it wasn't painted all the way. It was a red, and I decided that I wanted to match this red. So I purchased some red paint for furniture. It's made for cabinets at my local home improvement store, and I have to be honest, I don't recommend using this paint. It takes a lot of coats to get a good finish. However, the finish is very nice, but I still just don't think it was worth the effort. So I started by removing all of the hardware and placing that aside. Then I went ahead and I sanded down the entire TV stand to try to get it to be a very smooth and even surface. Once I was done with that, I wiped everything down with alcohol to make sure that it was very clean and to ensure good adhesion for the paint. Now I'm just getting my paint prepared. I chose to go with a roller for this because I thought it would give me the best coverage possible. So I start by painting over it with a roller, and then afterwards I go over it with a paintbrush and very, very lightly brush the surface to ensure a smooth application. I then went ahead and I attempted to shine all of the hardware that was originally on this. However, I found that the brass was only plated and I could not get it to look very good. So I did decide to paint this gold in the end, but always try to shine it before you decide to paint it. But here I am just adding a nice coat of paint to the hardware, and I also added a coat of paint to the screws that I decided to use as well. I then went ahead and I simply added all of the hardware back to the original pieces. I then reassembled the TV stand. Then I added some decorative corner brackets because I thought it would make it look nice. And here is the finished product. I'm really happy with how it turned out. The red is a little bit bright for this room, but I think that with the right styling, it actually will look very beautiful. And here is the finished after picture. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I really enjoyed making it. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'm gonna have a great day myself. I'll see you next time. Bye.